Let's make some halibut piccata using some wild Alaskan halibut. We've got some skinless halibut fillets, egg, flour, butter, oil, lemon juice, capers, heavy whipping cream, and parsley. So let's get started. Got our halibut. Gonna put it in egg, a little egg wash here. Okay. And gonna dip it in flour. I love this recipe because you get to get a little dirty. Makes you feel like you're a kid again. Playing with Play-Doh or something. Okay, we got that there. Fantastic. So egg wash it. And then we're going to dip it in the flour. So something people don't know about halibut is all halibut over 70 pounds are females. Okay, so we did an egg wash. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and we're going to put it on a sauté pan. Put the oil in there. So we have the sauté pan on medium-high heat. I just added oil. Now I'm going to add the halibut. We're going to cook it for 4 minutes on medium heat on each side. We'll do a timer. We'll cook it for another 4 minutes. Halibut's been cooking for 4 minutes. Now I'm going to plate it. Smells amazing. And next we're going to make the sauce. We've got flour, butter, and heavy whipping cream. And we're going to go ahead and put that on the sauté pan that we just took the halibut out of. So after you add those ingredients, stir constantly until it all becomes one consistent liquid. That will take you about 30 seconds to a minute. Great, then you're immediately gonna add your lemon juice and your capers. Continue stirring constantly until it's all one consistent sauce. That's exactly the way this is supposed to be, my friend. Now we got a nice thick sauce. So after we add the lemon juice and the capers, it's gonna take about 2 to 3 minutes. And you'll know it's done when everything is boiling. So you want your sauce to thicken up a little bit. At first, it will be a little thin after you add the lemon juice, but just give it a little time, kind of work it around a little bit till it's all boiling, like you're gonna be the consistency of an almond almost. But it is ready to go, and now you're gonna put the sauce on the halibut. It smells amazing and it looks delicious. Fantastic, look at that. So there you have it. We have a halibut piccata. This is really good served over like mashed potatoes with some fresh vegetables. The sauce is to die for. I hope you enjoy.